Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Tellor Dev Call. Today is July 6, 2026. And we're back from a holiday weekend. It was the 250th anniversary of the US. So it was a special 4th of July for us. But we're back. We're back to testing. Actually, we're finalizing our next release for the next upgrade this week, and we'll make sure to let you guys know when the release is ready. We'll be testing on our local DevNet, and then we'll announce when we're ready to go to testnet and then mainnet. But with that, let's go ahead and start on what we're up to this week. Caleb.
I'm going to be doing some testing on the new release and just rechecking all the changes to make sure that they're good. And then really just a lot of DevOps stuff, rotating some new keys and all that stuff, manage storage. So it'll be a lot of housekeeping going on this week.
Dan?
I need to respond to Akram's comment on my review for the 30% validator limit on layer, and then working on OpenZeppelin monitor migrations.
Also for the 30%, I just want to make it clear for the validators and reporters, we're adding these checks straight on the chain so that people don't accidentally go over those limits, but they're just meant as guardrails for good actors. Obviously, if you have two different private keys, you could potentially reach that, but we are trying to at least keep the good actors within those limits. So anyway, I just want to point that out because there's no real way to go about completely blocking anybody from using different keys and trying to attain this. Obviously, we do have a very strong community. I like to think that if anything were to happen, we could ultimately, and hopefully we never have to fork, but yeah, this is not something that's going to fix it forever, and it's not going to block every attempt of doing this, but it is our attempt at least to keep those good actors okay, or not passing those thresholds accidentally. Akram.
Trying to do some cleaning on the bridge remote signer. I need to fix some readmes, add some templates about issues and PRs and that sort of thing. So I'm cleaning that up today.
Tim?
Yeah, I am playing with some implementations for user integrations, and then that's on the EVM side, and then also revisiting the relayer to see if there's some optimizations to be made using fewer RPC calls, particularly.
Brian?
Yeah, still working on the updating the Explorer. There's some things that were built up over time that I'm also adding to the Explorer to get it updated.
So with that, we'll see you guys next week.